In this video, I'm going to show you how to view a market recap in Origin Financial. Let's get started. First, go to your home screen. At the top, you'll find the daily market brief. This gives you a quick summary of the most important market updates, personalized based on your portfolio. It refreshes throughout the day, so you can stay updated in real time. Next, check out the weekly recap. This usually appears at the top of your home screen in a story-style format every week. It highlights your overall performance, including changes in your net worth, investments, and spending. If you want more detailed insights, go to the Invest tab and open Market Watch. Here, you can explore market trends, view sector performance, and read simple summaries of news affecting stocks, ETFs, and crypto. You can also track specific assets and monitor upcoming earnings, making it easier to stay informed and make better investment decisions. If you want to support our channel, feel free to use our affiliate link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.